and welcome to this tutorial. I'm sharing different ways that you can work on how to get your leg behind your head. This is a pose that a lot of people want to learn how to do, and it's pretty accessible to most people, but not so from the traditional Ashtanga sitting upright position. So that's what I want to share, is options for how you can begin to work on this. Also, be sure to check out my tutorial on the prep poses that you can work on for accessing leg behind the head, and learning how to open up this piriformis muscle. Okay, let's get to it. Starting from a sitting position is difficult because it requires a lot of spinal strength, and spinal strength takes a long time. If you have been working on the primary series of Ashtanga, it should prepare you for this type of posture that comes after the preceding ones of the secondary. Anyways, I want to show you how to get this leg behind your head. So, lie down and straighten out the bottom leg, starting with the right leg. If you've done the prep poses, this should be pretty open by now. So we're just going to work our way slowly. We're going to push back the right arm from the calf and pull a little bit gently with the left arm around the back of the head. Now, if you let go, your foot will probably slip out from behind your head. So keep holding on with your left hand on your right foot and keep wiggling through, pulling down on your foot. Once you've gotten it to where it feels good, you can maybe let go, bring the hands to heart center. Straighten out the bottom leg, keep it active. Now keep pressing down with your head against your shin to open up the outer hip. Bring the leg up above you. This is a lot like how you would be sitting in the Ashtanga method before you would go down. Bring your leg toward your head. Now this is easier because your weight is reversed, so it's not as bad of a stretch. Now I'm going to show you how you can transition up to a seated version. Only attempt this if you know your hip is ready and your back is ready. You'll see what I mean. So, bring the foot that's extended, point the toes, feet are pointed. Inhale. There you are. Bring it back a little bit. Look up. You can adjust from here, actually. So here you are. If this is too much sitting still, try it against a wall. That way you can press against the wall. That will help you open up a little more. Okay, I'm going to walk myself back over. This is probably not recommended, but exhale, fold down. Breathe here for 5 breaths. You should feel like that hip is still opening. Resist it with your neck pushing against your head, leg pushing into it. Inhale to come up. Exhale there. Hands are down. Active leg. Inhale as far as you can. And begin to transition. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial for how to access leg behind the head. Be sure to check out more videos like this on my YouTube channel, ElFeatherYoga. See you there.